Hey guys, I'm from D5 Tech Support Team. In this video, I will show you how to use stage light in D5. I set an all-black scene to make it easier for you to see the effect of stage lights. First, click Menu Preference Widget and switch on Stage Light. Click Add Light Stage Light. This is Gobo, which determines the pattern of stage light. You can use preset Gobo or custom Gobo that you uploaded. Square Gobos are recommended to avoid jagged beam. Make sure the patterns are not too complex. The white part of Gobo is luminous while the dark part is not. And colored patterns can also be projected. Intensity is used to adjust the luminous intensity of the stage light. Manually entering a value is supported. And max intensity is 8 million lumens. Iris determines the range of glowing con angle. Attenuation limits the influence range of light. Turn on prism to increase the number of beams and patterns. You can change the number of beams here. Rotate determines the rotation speed of beam. Higher the value, faster the speed. Positive value refers to clockwise rotation, and negative value refers to counterclockwise rotation. Haze is used to adjust the intensity of the light affected by the fog. The larger the value, the stronger the impact. To make the haze visible, please turn on fog and volume lights in environment first and avoid setting the parameters too high since it could affect other light sources. Color determines the color of light. You can use it to make colored beams. In addition to rotating prism, you can create other effects of stage lights like single beam rotation by adding keyframe animation. Add keyframe in camera 1. Rotate the light in camera 2. Then keyframe will be automatically added in camera 2 to make an animation of beam rotation. You can also rotate the beam in this way to make a moving effect. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tricks, follow us on these platforms.